Hi students, let us continue our lesson resources. So today we are going to discuss in this module human made resources and human resources. So what is human made resources? So what are the resources available in the nature that all not what we call is called raw materials, or in the raw way they will come, but we convert them by raw material to some substances. For example, iron. From iron we can make steel, whatever home appliances we create. Iron ore available as a raw material, raw iron. Inside the earth it's available. After making alternate like finished product, it become a pipe. Natural resource cotton. After it's become a cloth, what we wear colorful, attractive shirts. You see some woods, we make them paper afterwards. Like what are the things we use in house? Steel, pipes, for house appliances, cooker, iron box, etc. That all originally not available inside the earth, as it's available as a ore, okay, or raw material, iron ore. And after using some industry, some technology, that all we convert them. See, a car not available inside the earth, but what the things are need for that all available inside the earth as a raw material. Okay, what do human convert that as a resource? That's why it's called human made resources. And you see technology, what we use, mobile, computer, and transportation, whatever it technology, this all a product of the human being. That's why human is considered as a resource. Okay, he create some vehicles, so many things he will do by what using of resources, what available inside the or in the nature. He convert them, he modify them. That's why human being also known as human resource. That is what human resource. Technology is also human made that. Human only modify that. Okay, and what about, so people are, or what are the group of people, they also resources. How trees, plants, rivers, oceans, resources are there, like that people also resources. Okay, because people or the human make the resources more better. Okay, who will utilize these resources? Only human being utilize that. He identify wherever it is, he bring out, and he will make them as useful resources because of his knowledge. Okay, how can nation develop its human resource? Means a country should develop means a human resource should develop. He should educate, he go to college, he learn, he study, and he become a resource person for the society. Okay, and he will investigate, he do research, and he modify the resources, how to utilize for what purpose. It may be agriculture, science and development, so many. Okay, that's why there is a department is there to improve the human resource, that is called HRD, human resource development. Here what we can see, developing skills, knowledge, abilities of people, helps to create some new products. It's all available there. That's why human and human made resources are very important in nature. Okay, this all a government, central government observe, that will provide education, what people want to improve their knowledge, to improve their skill, to improve their technology, how to utilize this all. Afterwards what happened, they will study or they will become a good resource people, and they will bring the resources from the nature as a useful one. Okay, and people are very special resources and also called as a human resources. Okay, so this all very important points I like to share with you. That is what human resources and human made resources means. Human resource means what are the things available from the nature, he will modify that as a resource. And human resource means human itself resources, because he modify the nature. Okay, thank you so much.